Today I will teach you how to scam your friends and family with cryptocurrency, and of course all the risk included with it. I will discuss how you can learn from the big players who have ripped the American economy billions of dollars, and we haven't even talked about the rest of the world. And if you listen to me carefully, you can be one of those too. The cryptocurrency market has been headlines for many years. I've seen it since 2016, but since 2022, multiple headlines came with implosions. And because the market is highly volatile, the economy gets better, so the cryptocurrencies get better, everything gets better. And then everything falls, especially the cryptocurrencies, they will fall even harder. So we had scammers all over the place, and the best scam you can do now is with cryptocurrencies. And one of those coins has been Terra Luna. The company is called Terra, and the cryptocurrency is called Luna. And for some reason, it always had this algorithm which tied it to Terra, which tied it to $1, which was always pegged. You're still following me? I'll give you a video. So as you can see, the company's business model, it was just crazy, and it was sure that it wouldn't work. However, cryptocurrencies have something which they lack in other assets, which is called faith. So if you're a founder of Terra Luna, you have extraordinary confidence. You're calling yourself Quan. You think this is the best thing on the planet. You tell people that you will get so much money for them. And a lot of people will believe you, and you start a cult, and people will even call themselves lunatics. At the heights, it was even worth $40 billion. It almost got bankrupt, but it got saved by a third party. And owner Quan, he got to become billionaire for a little while. And what I've now heard, by the time I'm making this video, he got arrested. But hey, at least he got more money than you ever had. So you can do something like that. And if that doesn't work out, you can always make your own bank. So with crypto, the last few years, there were these exchanges which has been unregulated and which claim to have outrageous interest for you. So one of these examples was Celsius. It gave you an interest of 18%, while traditional bank maybe gave you 0.06%. And of course, this was just waiting to implode. And when the company imploded, even the chief finance officer said that this was a scam, it wouldn't work out. And better yet, all the people who deposited their money, they are not even allowed to get the money back because that's what they signed up for. So besides Quan, you can also end up like Alex and maybe not get caught. But most interesting is, of course, Sam Bankman-Friedman from FTX. And the thing with FTX, it got really into the mainstream. Even the people who should be doing the due diligence, they made commercials, they made their videos with this guy who was even called the next Warren Buffett or even a Nobel Prize winner. So all three of this company, the founders were highly confident, but they still lacked company control, and they actually lacked morals, like you probably will want to scam your friends and family, because why would you click on this video? And I haven't even talked about Bitconnect, Quadriga, CX. Yes, I'm that long in the business, and maybe in the future, not at the time of this video, Bitconnect was done, but now you have Binance and you have Coinbase. So while this company might be the exception, you have 10,000 shitcoins, and scammers will make more and more. They will believe that you will believe them. Some of them think that they can just be confident, and you know what, they're kind of right. They can make a following of a cult. I already explained that in my video here. You can make some money, you can tell them that they had to do their own research, and you can even become a millionaire and not get caught like Alex Becker or Idiot Trade. I actually hope the blockchain will help them. Luckily, the blockchain can actually follow these people, so sooner or later they will get caught and maybe get punished. But by that time, if they have a financial incentive, they can of course pay their bills, pay their dues, pay their fines, and they can just continue thriving. And you can do that too. But of course, I really hope you don't do that. Just take this video as a highly joke. Cryptocurrencies are very scammy. It's one big casino, it's one Wild West, and the SEC, by the time I'm making this video, has not doing any regulations, but I'm sure most of the cryptocurrencies will fail. And the only crypto coin which will not fail is Bitcoin. That doesn't mean you cannot make money in the meantime. Do your due diligence. People will follow anyone anyway, and they will buy some coins, and they will either dump it on you, or at the right moment you can dump it on them. It's not the most ethical way to make money, but it's better than making your own coin, collapsing it, or making your own exchange, or even making your own money and dropping it in your own company and getting a loan out of it. So that's my tips for today. So if you want to continue scamming people, do that. But there are also ethical ways to make money. Get Bitcoin, do long trading, short trading, or get some other cryptocurrencies. I'm going to do that too. And if you want to know how I am going to do that, watch this video over here.